Good morning, you guys. On this particular morning, I was trying to do one little task before I go to work, and I seen that this table needs to be dusted. So that's what we are doing. Before we head out to work, we're dusting and doing all the things. This is on a Saturday morning. Okay, people, we have already did this. This my hair. We ain't gonna mess with it too much. We is on a trial and error run to get my chair is clean. So I don't know if this gonna work out or not, but this is what I'm using to get my chairs clean. I'm using some hydrogen peroxide, OxyClean. In my opinion, this one is the best, but I ran out of this, ain't no more. So we went back to the regular OxyClean, and we using the cleaning solution that came with the. This supposed to be a stain. You know it's supposed to lift stain, but it also have OxyClean in there also. I don't know how the chair's gonna turn out, but I will show you everything that I'm doing. See you soon. I'm cleaning this. So I go in first with this on the hard stain, the peroxide. And then I go in second with this, which I don't ran out, so I have to use. I don't ran out of that one too, so I have to use this one. But this is the best. This one here is the best. But yeah, just spray it all over the chair as best you can, all at the top and whatever. This chair here ain't nasty, but the other one was. But I'm still do the same method for this chair just because I did it with the other 3 chairs. This one ain't that bad as the other 3 was. But yeah, and then I just started cleaning. I let it sit for a minute. And then I put the water solution on there. And then I come back. Which is this. I got a new one because y'all know I tore up my old one. I look bad. Look at my hair. I don't care. I'm in the house. And I'm cleaning. So I got this. This is the new one. Okay. And it's easier to use than the other one I had. But anyway, I just take the water. I cut it on. And I just spray this thing. I spray it with the water. So, step 2. I will be scotch guarding my chairs. So that's what we're doing. We're scotch guarding the chairs. I don't know if it's gonna do make a difference or not, but that's what we're doing. We're trying to do this as heavily as possible. So we won't have no more.
If you found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish in one, yeah, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Memory lane isn't that too far away from our hearts, yeah, yeah. The ones we keep close, we should never let go. So tell me who you love, baby. Take a moment to unwind, fix yourself and realign yourself with the world, baby. Breathe slow, baby, yeah. We should breathe slow, we should breathe slow, we should breathe slow. We should breathe slow, we should breathe slow, we should breathe slow. We should breathe slow, we should breathe slow, we should breathe slow. We should breathe slow, breathe slow.
Liquidation hours.
Say it again.
Liquidation hours.
So we here buying tile. And they have all different kinds of tile, but we buying this tile here. This is for the new build. Okay, I'm finna go get the car. That's my baby. She buying me tile. Okay, from the wholesale place, I bought 10 boxes of these, really 40 boxes of them. So yeah, this tile for the next room over there. So today someone said that Cole had these sewing machines for $40, but online they are $84.99. So we're going to Kohl's today to see can we get a sewing machine. Yay. Okay, we went to Kohl's, and however the sewing machines was there, but they said it was only a 2-day sale, so I was not able to get the sewing machine. So we on our way back from Kohl's. We got I bought my son some t-shirts. That's about it. Okay, we back from Kohl's, and like I told y'all in the car, I did not get the sewing machine because the sewing machine was no longer $40. So it was 50% off. But what I did get is my son some little graphic tees. These are just for him because he go, you know, my son college or whatever. So I just got him little graphic tees like this. Little Looney Tune graphic tees. This graphic tee, a marble graphic tee. Whatever character it is, I don't know. Batman. I think I got Spider-Man too. Batman. Darth Vader. And Mario. That's all I got from Kohl's. That's it. It's the Kohl's bag. Darn, I hate I mixed that. I hate that I mixed the sewing machine. All that stuff came up to be $64.74. So yeah, just some t-shirts. That's all I got. This gonna conclude this video. I can't take it no farther. This have been a whole week of me just doing what I do. So y'all be blessed, and yeah, I'll see you soon.